Are you tired of poor quality videos? Are your videos lacking the professional and cinematic polish? Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unlocking the secrets of transforming your content from amateur to cinematic masterpiece. So we'll be learning some simple but yet a powerful technique to skyrocket your video quality and captivate your audience like never before using just your mobile phone. Yes, you heard me right, using just your mobile phone. Okay, so keep on watching, don't go anywhere. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, because here we share valuable content and nothing less. Yes, as usual we'll be using our favorite mobile app, CapCut. Okay, so all you need to do is to import the video that you would like to edit. Okay, so I'm still going to use this video. Yes, once you import it, then the next thing you have to do is to work with the surface down here. We are basically going to work with the surface, the stuff we are seeing down there, right? So you have to scroll, click on adjust. So we'll be starting with saturation. So I'm going to increase the saturation to, like, let's say 8, and brilliance to like or 7, 6. Okay, so I'm going to like sharpen this. You can sharpen it as much as you want, right? And the next thing I'm going to click is my highlight. I'm going to like basically reduce it, then increase the temperature to like, let's say 10. Okay, so I'm just going to click done and then adjust the clip to the end of the video. So I'm going to click this arrow that points backwards, then I'll click on filter. Then there are so many filters you can play with. Here I'm just going to play with humble and clear. So I'm going to reduce humble and I'm going to also reduce clear. I don't really do much on my videos, right? You can play with the filter as much as you want, but for me I just choose humble and clear. Okay, and I tend to reduce that as well to look more realistic. So I'm still going to like adjust the clip to go around the whole clips, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on retouch. I have to look for retouch down here again. Click on okay, I'm going to click on edit here, then find retouch. Okay, so click on face and smoothen my face. You guys can you can go as far as increasing it, but then I just want it to still be realistic, so you can click on that and then whiten my teeth just a little bit and click on apply to all. That way it goes through the whole video and you export your video, and that's basically it. Now this is the before, yeah, and this is now the after. The difference is clear, guys. Alright, so that is that for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Now start creating your content. Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. You know I love you big time. Okay, bye. Mwah. The tutorial. Alright, so that is that for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Now you no longer have any more excuses for not creating that video that you always wanted to create, or not starting up your YouTube channel this year 2024. I also have a video where I talked about how to reduce the noise intensity, and with that you have the noise reduction and you have the fake background. Tell me, what more excuses do you want to give me? What more excuses do you want to give me? Now start creating your content. Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching and see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. You know I love you big time. Okay, bye. Mwah.